صاحب فرمان دے رہے ہیں، یہ آپ ہیں کون کہنے والے؟ یہ کس نے آپ کو رائٹ دیا ہے؟ آپ کو کس نے اجازت دی ہے کہ یہ کہنا جی جھوٹ بول رہا ہے یا دوگلا ہے؟ آپ کو شرم آنی چاہیے. کبھی ISCR ریس کی باتیں نہیں کی. آپ تو بوتھ کے آگے پالیٹکس میں آپ پارٹی بنا لیں اپنی. ملک کا آئین یہ کہتا ہے کہ جس کے اوپر واردات ہوتی ہے اس کا یہ رائٹ ہوتا ہے FIR کروانا، تفتیش ہو، پھر وہ بے بنیاد ثابت ہوتا ہے، بے قصور ثابت ہو جائے. بسم اللہ. لیکن آپ تو بیٹھ کے فرعون کی طرح بات کر رہے ہیں. وہ تو ہمارا، میں نے تو غلط بتاؤ، ہم یہ کہنا چاہتے ہیں عمران خان جھوٹ بول رہے ہیں. شرم آنی چاہیے ایسی باتیں. عمران خان کو 50 سال یہ قوم جانتی ہے.
I already know the truth. I just wanted to see how good they are at lying. Remember this. Everybody that you fight is not your enemy. And everybody that helps you is not your friend.
Remember this. People usually change for two reasons. They have learned a lot, or they have been hurt a lot.
As we face challenges, remember, a river cuts through rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence.
Remember this. A man who is ready to suffer in order to win is unbeatable.
I am not motivated. I am disciplined. Know the difference. I do what needs to be done, regardless of how I feel. Do it tired. Do it scared. Do it sad. Just get it done.
Always stand up for what you believe in, even if it means standing alone.
Standing alone doesn't mean I am alone. It means I am strong enough to handle all things by myself.
There are only 4 types of people. The first type is, I win, you lose. This type of people believes that life is a struggle, and that the successful person is the one who wins over others. They aim to achieve their goals at the expense of others, and do not care about the feelings or needs of others. The second type is, I lose, you win. These people are overly kind and prefer to give up their own goals to please others. They do not believe in conflict and feel comfortable when others succeed, even if it means they will lose. The third type is, I lose, you lose. These people are the most bitter, believing that life is a struggle they cannot win. Therefore, they try to harm others and take revenge. They find pleasure in the failure of others, even if it means they will fail too. The fourth type is, I win, you win. This type of people is the most cooperative. They believe that life is a partnership from which everyone can benefit. They seek to find solutions that satisfy all parties. Which type do you think you are? Share in the comments.
To be a man, it's a merit. It requires more than wearing a name. It requires discipline, will, and honor. Do you want to take your life back in your hands? Start by taking control of yourself. Every day, when you look in the mirror, ask yourself, what have I done today to be better? If you don't find an answer, then it's time to change. The excuses are for the weak. The regrets are for those who have given up. A real man doesn't back down from the trials. He confronts them. Discipline your mind. Control your passions. Be a master of your actions. Don't let others write your story. You have the power to change, to become the one you always wanted to be. But it starts today, now.
Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be better than last time.
Listen closely. Everyone must choose one of 2 pains. The pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Choose wisely.
My father always told me, respect everyone, but fear no one. Remember, it's better to be a lonely lion than a popular sheep.
I saved your reputation by not telling my side of the story. Don't get it twisted. We can always open that book again and find out who the real villain is.